Today we're going to show you how we took a Snoo and we bought it used and we cleaned it to the point where it looks new. It was real dirty and now it's clean.
I wish we had some before and afters of this Snoo because when we bought it, I was in the hospital, and had I had looked at it, I would have said absolutely not. But we're not the ones that picked it up, and when we got it and I got home, it was really, really bad.
Filthy,
It was
stained,
grimy.
soiled.
I think maybe they kept it in the garage. I can't assume that just from use it could get that bad, but maybe it did. And I was really upset that we even spent $500 on it as opposed to the 13 if you were to buy it new. And then my husband cleaned it.
So here's a finished product and I'm going to show you how we got it like this. So here's the tool setup you'll need to get started. Just a length of nylon rope, some shout, as opposed to a powder. This worked really well because it rinsed off. So any kind of like liquid stain remover in a spray bottle. A drill with 4 medium screws, a hose with a shower head that has a mist and a shower setting on it. I actually used a rinse kit, but if you have a hose, it should work really well too. But it's got to have that mist setting as well as a shower setting. And of course, a step stool. Once it's suspended up like this, it's just a real easy job to just spray and use a shout and the hose. And very little water got inside. This isn't actual wood. I was worried about that at first, but it's just a veneer. So really, my main concern was the electronics up inside, and just very little water up there, and it works great now. So no problem on that end, and really happy with the results. So unfortunately, I didn't film it while I was doing it originally, but it worked so well that I thought I'd recreate it. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take the shout, find the soiled area, give it the spray, let that sit for a while. Then we're going to take the hose on the mist setting after you let it wait, and basically just concentric circles. You'll see that it's not putting out that much water. So basically, you just do this until you don't see the stain anymore. And then when you're done entirely with that, switch over to the shower setting. And then just give the entire thing a rinse down. And because it's hung upside down, all the water will drain downwards. Last thing I did was set up a fan, aiming at the Snoo as it was dripping, allowing all that water to come off and evaporate, and quite a bit of dripping for the first 20 minutes, and then it totally dried in probably an hour. In California, and it's pretty warm and dry right now, so but that was definitely a big part of it. You don't want to flip it back over and have the water come inside the unit, so this worked really well.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the content, please hit the subscribe button and many more videos like this to come.